How to set up shipping on Facebook Marketplace mobile. First, you want to open up the Facebook app and then log in with your Facebook account. Then navigate to the Facebook Marketplace icon, and then this will take you to your Facebook Marketplace homepage where you can browse listings or manage your own. Then you want to create a new listing. You can do this by tapping on the sell button, usually located on the top of the screen. Choose item for sale to create a new listing. Then enter the item details. This can include the title, price, category, condition, description, photos. Then you could either enable shipping or not, so scroll down to enable shipping. For this listing, this will allow the buyer to purchase the item with shipping included. Once the shipping is enabled, you will be asked to select your shipping preferences. Shipping costs, you can choose free shipping or set a flat rate for shipping. Shipping carrier, Facebook provides integrated options like UPS, FedEx, and USPS. Then choose the carrier you prefer or leave it to Facebook to select the best option for the buyer. Then the handling time, so set how long it will take for you to ship the item after a purchase. You can choose options like 1 to 2 business days or 3 to 5 business days, and etc. Then you want to confirm your shipping information, review, and publish. Then when someone buys your item, Facebook will send you a notification. You will receive a shipping label from Facebook with instructions on how to ship the item. Print the label, package the item securely, and ship it via the selected carrier. Provide the tracking number to the buyer through Facebook Marketplace if required. If this video helps you, subscribe and goodbye.